Young people may buy Bitcoin with their stimulus checks. Next on your 4-Minute Bitcoin. Today's show is from a post by Marie Hewitt at Cointelegraph and brought to you by BitBlockBoom. There's been a long battle over whether or not U.S. citizens will get their $2,000 stimulus checks to help them weather the economic repercussions of the COVID-19 pandemic. Mike Novogratz has weighed in on what the news could mean for the stock and cryptocurrency markets. The CEO of Galaxy Digital said the further round of stimulus checks, which are at $2,000 each, recently approved by the House of Representatives, could be further good news for the markets. With the Senate now flipped after the runoff election in Georgia, he noted that a lot of that stimulus money will find its way into the markets. Certainly, when it comes into young people's hands, it's going right into their Robinhood accounts. Now, one of the most unique things last time was seeing how many people bought Bitcoin with the exact amount of money as their stimulus checks were for. Now, Novogratz also pointed to the bullish sentiment among traders of all stripes, saying that there's speculative excess all over the place. When you look at the amount of option buying in stocks like Tesla, it's to the point of insanity. The disconnect is likely to, however, spell trouble at some point, even for those cashing in on the crisis. Now, one day we'll wake up and markets will be reversing, and then they'll reverse hard. I just don't know when that is, he said. Now, earlier this week, Novogratz attributed Bitcoin's unprecedented price hikes to institutions moving into Bitcoin and pointing to PayPal servicing of Bitcoin as well as action from big U.S. insurers. So, what do you think? Do you think stimulus money will pour into Bitcoin like Novogratz says? Please, let me know your thoughts in the comments. In this episode, well, it's brought to you by BitBlockBoom, the great Bitcoin conference I host every August in Dallas, Texas. Now, BitBlockBoom is a true Bitcoin event, not a cryptocurrency event or an altcoin event. So if you're interested in Bitcoin, well, please take a look at bitblockboom.com. I hope I get to meet you in person at this year's event. I'm Gary Leland, the Bitcoin Boomer, and thanks for joining me on another 4-Minute Bitcoin show. This is a bitblockboom.com production.